Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you the top 3 JavaScript extensions in VS Code. The first 9 is going to be tab 9. It's literally the best. It auto-completes your code. Let me show you a little demonstration here. I have a button in my HTML. I have it connected here. Let's try it again. Button. And then let me just add a background color to aquamarine. When I click enter, look, it generates the code. All you have to do is press tab, boom, done. Click enter, 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 boom. See, it's gonna generate code. It's gonna be boom, easy, boom, easy, boom, easy. Boom, easy. Look, literally, it's really good. It's really good. It saves you so much time. And for example, you have a couple of buttons. It's gonna copy. It's gonna learn through AI. As I'm speaking, I'm changing stuff. It's so crazy. So that's it for top 9 AI. It also works in JavaScript too. Now, for the second extension, is Selector.js. It's really useful. All it does is take a little shortcut for you to paste all of your elements into your JavaScript. So you call it through CMD plus Shift plus P if you're using Mac, or Windows Control Shift plus P. So here is how it works. In my HTML, I have 2 buttons, one for hello and one for bye with an ID. If I want to quickly bring my button to the JavaScript without typing const button equals document blah blah, you know the full syntax. The shortcut is selected, command shift P, and all you have to do is type query select. It knows for me because I've done this a lot of times. I just do that and I just paste it. Boom. And you know what? Let us try it with the ID. It knows. Look. Boom. With the ID. Also, I can select multiple. And it's going to, if you have a list, if for example you're making a calculator, you have like 26 buttons. Boom. Easy. Okay guys, for the last one is JavaScript ECMAScript 6 code snippets. This one is literally a lifesaver. All it does is like, instead of typing the whole syntax, you just type a couple of letters and it auto-completes it for you. So I'm not going to get into depth through all of these methods. You can just type the extension name in VS Code. But the really useful one is for console logging, which you're going to use all the time. We know how normal console log is. Console.log brackets, quotation marks, hello world. But with this snippet, look, I just type CLG and I'm gonna click enter. Boom. Did you see the shortcut, guys? So that's it for the video. These are your top 3 extensions for 2024. Thank you for watching and happy coding.